Hi everybody and welcome. My name is Samira and today we're going to be working on exercise 12, which is drawing a clock using turtle. And so we have to import turtle, which means we have to ask Python to import turtle. And so for here we're going to be using turtle.screen, which means we're going to be opening up a window. And so for here wn.bg color is like an option for you if you want like a background color, and then wn dot title, we use wn means window, and so the window title might be draw test draws a circle, and then we have to ask Python to activate test to turtle module. So we're going to assign turtle module into test, and then we can come up with the color test would be using, which is blue. The shape, test.shape is going to be turtle. So in this case, we're going to be using turtle, and then we're going to use a stamp command. Basically, the stamp command is like just stamping the canvas on the screen. We can come up with a pen color, which is going to be blue in this case. You can choose any pen color you like: blue, green, yellow, red. It doesn't really matter. You can use any, and the pen size will be 5 in this case. And so for this command, def draw underscore circle underscore 1, this one I tend to use it because you could use any um not string value, but like any command you want. You could say draw clock, draw anything, but for me I just use the draw underscore circle because the circle kind of reminds me of a clock, because a clock is basically a circle. And so for this one, we're going to be, for the parameters inside, it's going to be t, which is for test, um, comma size. For size, we can worry about that when we ask test to put her pen up and pen down and stuff. And so for this case, we're going to be saying draw a circle or a clock using size as z for turtle t. Size SC right here, and turtle t. So we're going to be using a for loop for this case. And so because a clock has like 12 values inside, we're going to say the range is going to be 12 because we have to be dividing tests into 12 sections. So, and then we're going to ask test to put her pen up. When we put her pen up, that just means to just pen up. Pen up basically means no ink, and pen down is basically like you just draw on canvas. So we're gonna activate test.pu, which is pen up, and then we're gonna go forward 135. You can choose any forward value you like, but I personally chose 135. And so we're gonna go up, forward 135, pen down. And so pen down means we're going to be drawing on the canvas. And so we're going to go, like when it's pen down, we're going to be going forward 25, and then we're going to be releasing the pen and going up. And then forward 15, pen down, and then stamp. Stamp is basically like stamping the page or the clock. And then we go pen up, and so in this case we see that our pen is obviously like our turtle is just going forward, and now we're going to ask her to go backward to the center. And so because we have to add up 135, 25, and 15 to get this value, because backward is basically going back from where you started. So then I just added these values up to get 175. And so this part is the trickiest part. It took me a long time, but I kind of figured it out. So then, because for me, I just used the circle analogy, because a circle has like it's basically 360 degrees, and so I have to like divide 360 degrees by 12 to get 30, because we're going to be rotating left each time to draw the clock form. And so let's run this to see what we'll get. And here you go. We just drew our first turtle clock.